Hello everyone, I am Brianna and welcome to my channel. Today's video, I am going to do an unboxing of my most recent order from the Rosey Life planner. So the first thing I noticed when I opened this package was something that I didn't order, and it is the PR package for the Rosey Life. Linda wrote this little note, welcome to the PR team, and I was just so excited. So I'm going to open this at the end and we can see all of the goodies in there, but I want to share with you everything I purchased. I got this cute washi. Can you tell? The light is probably messing with it, but I thought it was really cute. And then I picked up a bunch of stuff from the June Deluxe Supreme kit because it was just, it was too good to pass up. So here is a washi roll. And then this one is not part of that June kit, but I thought that it was beautiful. So I picked this one up as well. And then this clip, at least I believe that's what it is. Yep. This is gorgeous. Pardon my sound here. I know that crinkling sound can get pretty annoying, but I had to take it out of its package. Look at how beautiful this clip is. So if this doesn't live in my planner, then it's gonna live on my desk because it is gorgeous. I love all of the colors, everything about it. So, so pretty. Then I need to remember, I'm going to put this one over here. I believe, okay, so these are those folders, like those new folders that were created so that you can put your stickers and everything neatly tucked away. So you get the big one and the little one. So the big one is actually perfect for those bigger papers, those vellums. And then I believe these ones were the extra sheets from the kit. Oh, this one was, I thought this one was inside of the package, but it wasn't. So cute. A set of the girls, and then some more embellishments for the page. And then this one is a full sticker sheet. And I just thought that was pretty and would be a good addition to maybe a page that you didn't really have a lot to plan, or if you were sick and you didn't write down a bunch of stuff, it would just add a great amount of color to your planner. Okay, now this I thought was super cute. And it is a, and it is a reusable sticker book. Look at, and it's the perfect size because you can fill it up, but it can tuck right into your planner if that's where you want to keep it. I need to play around with this because I would absolutely love to have my stickers in there. I'm like, it could just fit right in a pocket and you wouldn't even know it was there. I mean, it's just so slim. I know it will bulk up once you start putting stickers in there, but how amazing, like if you go on a trip or if you take your planner out of the house with you, you have stickers that are not falling all over the place. I don't know. It's genius. I love it. And it's beautiful. I know there are other sticker books out there, you guys. I am not living under a rock, but this one I could not pass up because of how gorgeous this is. So this is part of the vintage travel collection, as well as this. It's not a roll. It is a loop of the PET tape. Let me see if I can quietly open this. That wasn't quiet. Sorry, guys. Okay, so I love that she offers just a loop because I have ordered rolls and rolls of PET tape and it kind of goes to waste because there's no way that you can use everything, you know, because there's a lot. So this was, okay, these are really big stickers. I love that. Okay, so this is that vintage travel kit. And then I believe these stickers are also from that travel kit. I made sure that to get all of the stickers. I mean, it is summer and there is a lot of traveling going on. And so I just thought, why not grab some of these beautiful travel stickers? Oh, look at that. I love the browns and the pinks. Oh, this is vintage. Look at that. These are so pretty. Oh, this one's fun. Way to add some color to your page. Little tags. Oh, this one's beautiful. And then just little elements that you can throw around your page. The journey is the destination. And then we have some alphabet letters. And then, let's see, Monday through Sunday, you have, okay, so 0 to 12. All right. And then this sheet. Look how pretty these scenes are, you guys. I love this. So, so pretty. Okay, that is a really pretty kit. And then I ordered some coffee and planning stickers. Okay, so this right here, look at how huge. This is a half sheet. That is a half sheet. I love that. Maybe coffee is addicted to me. Oh my goodness, I love that. That's perfect. Okay, so then you get another one of those half sheets of decor. Coffee before talkie. Okay, coffee and planning. Now this is bigger than a half sheet. These are so gorgeous. And then these. Okay, so one thing that I love about the Rosey Life is she does a different theme each month, but I'm finding that the themes can work really well together. And I like that because then you're not wasting stickers. You're not like, okay, well, I can't use this theme with this theme because that would just look funny. You know what I mean? I love that everything works so well together. So you don't have to just be done with a certain theme once that month's over or once the week's over. You can just keep using it if you have any left over. Move the box out of the way. And I am bringing this PR package over. I did want to mention though that this washi is part of that vintage travel set. So that goes really well with this whole little bundle here. Because I don't think I said that in the beginning. I could have, but I forgot. I don't know. All right. What is inside of this PR package? Let's see. It is just so pretty. Okay, let me just, I was going to try to pull that off. Try to slide this out. Again, with the crinkly noise, you guys, I am so sorry. Okay, we put that to the side. so it looks like there is a roll of PET tape and it looks really pretty. I want to open all this. Hopefully you guys are okay with me really digging in because I'm just so excited. Okay, let's see. Let's peel. Oh, look at that, so pretty. The owl. Okay, and then it starts repeating right here. So this is a PET tape. This is not a pre-cut, so you have to, actually, you know what? So you have to cut, but I'm seeing this line right here, so I'm wondering, okay, so no, that's just part of the design. So you could cut on that and put this on the edge of your page. I thought maybe that was where the design started and stopped, so I was just making sure. Okay, so that's actually perfect for fall or winter or some moody kind of spread. Okay, so we get a pen and it has the Rosey Life planner on it. Do we spin? Do we pull? We pull. Ooh, look at this. Okay, I'm going to have fun playing around with this pen. As you know, if you've been following me for a while, I am a ballpoint pen user, but I like to play around and try new things. Okay, this could be used to wrap washi around it, as well as this one. This one actually says washi on it. So those are fun to tuck in your planner when you're on the go. Oh, look at how sweet. And a bow sticker. Reading is my therapy. A 2025 sticker, that's perfect. Oh, Hobo Weeks. Okay, so this is, so you put these on your pages and it is like a little marker for the month. So this is her little Rosy Posy girl. I think you can see her here as well. And then Pink My Life 2.0. So this is a sticker sheet from Pink My Life. So pretty. And then, yep, Rosy Posy. Okay, so travel time. It's a weekly kit. I'm excited to try these new stickers. Has weekend, so if you're traveling, this would be kind of fun. And then a hobo cousin, okay, which is what I use. So maybe I will put these on a weekly spread in there and see how they feel. Planning time, discover the world. Yeah, these are really cute. Cute, fun, bright. Definitely a different feel than, you know, any of these kind of stickers. So I'm excited to try the sticker out and see what it's like on the paper. And then this is a 2025, oh, a Rosy planner part 2. Okay, so this is her planner, you guys. Okay, let's see here. When does it start? July to December. So you have the months. I do want to bring you down a little bit though, so you can see this more up close. Okay. And then you get the grid page. And ooh, this is blank, these little boxes, so you can use them however you want. I'm excited. I feel like this pen would write really well in this planner too. So you get your tracker pages, and then you have a monthly tracker. So July, August, September, October, November, December. So you can track down, you can track over, and then a blank page. And then the quarter. So you can do quarterly goals, you can track the books you read, whatever you want. Then it turns into this monthly spread. So you get all of the months for quarter 3. Okay, I see. So July, August, September, and then you get the months July, August, September, and then you have quarter 4, October, November, December, and then that's followed by the months. And then you get your weeklies, and this is a vertical layout, and it's timed 5 a.m. to 4. Okay. And then let's see, does it give you all of July? You guys, I've never flipped through this before. Okay, so August. I'm wondering if it's going to do the quarter. Let's see. Nope. Okay, so all of the weeks are lumped together. And then you get a blank page, and then it starts the dailies. So I like how they are dated, and it tells you the day of the week and then what month it's on over on the side. And the pages, you guys, are numbered. Can you see that? So these are all of the daily pages. Let's get to December. Okay, so 184 daily pages. And then you get just grid paper in the back. That's could be for notes or anything that you need to keep track of. And that is the planner. So this is an A5 size. I really like this. I'm excited to try it out. I want to put stickers in here. I want to write on here. So stay tuned for me using this to show you how the pens work in here and all of the things. So, oh, thank you, Rosey Life. Linda, thank you so much for sending me this PR package. I love, seeing different things in the shop. I have ordered quite a few things before, but it's always nice to get a variety and, just try new things out. All right, you guys, if you have any questions at all, please let me know in the comments, and I would be happy to help you figure out anything that you might be wanting. I do have a code. It's Brianna 15. I always appreciate it when you guys use codes because it is helpful, and it supports the company that I'm sharing, because I don't share everything that I get. I only share things that I really like and I really enjoy. There are companies that, reach out and want me to share their things, and I've actually said no, mainly because I don't have time, but also there are just these few companies that I love and I want to keep using, and I don't want to get bombarded and overwhelmed with a lot of stickers and things that I'm not going to be using. So anyways, I will see you guys all on my next video. We'll chat soon. Bye, you guys.